for the triggering and notification, I am using IFTT. Here you can see I have used two applied. This one is for the sunlight available notification, and this for the sunlight not available notification. Here I using a webbook where from the Arduino when there sunlight available, when it changes to the sunlight available state, and it will take the get request. After the request count, I have to trigger a email for my email address, notify that event has triggered. That is basically what happening here. So, and here I have taken the URL provided by this IFT to make the get request to that URL. So let's see the code. In this code, here I am defined my SSID and password, and this is the this is the URL code for IFT trigger, and this is the URL we have to send the get request. Here I am initially defining the sunlight state is 0 because I am thinking that US will be inside the home before placing on the garden. Then setup method connect to the given Wi-Fi SSID and password, and after that I am reading the A7 pin analog read function. A7 pin is connected to my light sensor, which is TMT6000 sensor. So, and after this, when enough sunlight come to the sensor and the Arduino state is sunlight not available state, and the sensor will trigger that it has getting the sunlight, and so it will send the get request using this function line client printing to the IFTT for the triggering event. The sunlight is available, and the same for this sunlight not available state, where the first in the sunlight available state and the light level goes down, and so it will trigger that event, and it will send the get request for the IFTT and IFTT in point. After that, IFTT will send an email to me, not find what has happened, and so let's go to the hardware setup. Here is the hardware setup for this task. Here I used IMTT6000 light sensor. This is the Arduino Nano 33 IoT. The setup now initially in the sunlight not available state. In order to make the sunlight available state, I use phone flasher. So you can see that it has triggered a sunlight available state in the part. So here you can see this message. You have find the sunlight available now event, and next, after removing that flash, it will trigger sunlight not available state. So you can see this message. It successfully fire the sunlight not available event. So let's check my email. If I check my email, I will be able to see that sunlight is available now event and also not available event. Here you can see sunlight is available now event is trigger, and after the sunlight removing, it tries trigger sunlight not available even email. So this is how my system is working.